Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is the weekly market outlook. If you haven't subscribed to this channel yet, do also click on the subscribe button and smash the notification bell to get notified whenever I post a new video. So I've been away for some time now. All right, I was a little bit busy with other stuff. All right, yes, that really kept me away from the market. That is why you weren't hearing from me so far as bringing you the weekly market analysis or outlook is concerned. But I'm back now. All right, and as it stands now, to I think the issues concerning with the US-China trade war, so far as the tariffs are concerned, has tamed down. All right, so I'm expecting to see the market back to its usual price action. All right, so interesting stuff is yet to unfold so far as the market is concerned. So let's delve into the charts and see what the market has for us going into a new week, starting with the dollar index. If you're hearing some noise in the background, forgive me. All right, it's raining heavily out here. All right, but I need to do this video. All right, devoid of whatever is happening, I need to do this video. Just that if you are hearing some background noise, just know that it's the rain. All right, I can't control it, and it can't also stop me from doing this video. All right, but I'm hoping you are going to hear me very, very clearly. All right, so let's delve into it. For dollar index, my last if you watch my last outlook, I made you aware that I'll expect to see this volume imbalance right here. All right, if you are seeing, I'm expecting to see this volume imbalance being filled up. All right, so and then we saw price was filling up this volume imbalance. Now my next draw on liquidity is this volume imbalance right here. All right, I want to see price would push to the upside. So if we switch to the 4-hour time frame, we see it so clearly. All right, so for those of you in my Telegram community, I gave you this. All right, I gave you a signal. All right, a signal of the dollar index now pushing to the upside. Afterwards, this swing low was formed. All right, I told you that I'm expecting to see price would push up here. All right, so my expectation hasn't changed. I'm still expecting to see price push up. I don't want to see this swing low. I don't want to see price come near this swing low at all. I'm expecting to see price push to the upside into this volume imbalance right here. All right, so those of you in my Telegram community, you are aware of this. All right, so if you're in my Telegram community, check the description below. My Telegram community link is there. Hit it and be part of my Telegram community. All right, so that you're able to get informations like this as soon as possible. All right, I have an important message for all of you. It's an announcement. All right, for all of you at the latter part of this video. So kindly watch to the end. And if you haven't subscribed, to kindly subscribe. All right, so that is that for the dollar index. Let's look at Gbpusd. Well, I might not be able to go to the lower time frame for some pairs. All right, because currently, so far as my VIP channel is concerned, we are in some trades. All right, so I wouldn't be doing them good if I should go to the lower time frame on some pairs. All right, so kindly take note of that. All right, and if you want to join my VIP too, check the description box below. My Telegram ID is there. Pick it up and then hit me up on Telegram, then I'll put you on. All right, it's affordable. All right, it's a 3-month period, but the cost of being in my VIP is very, very affordable. Those of you in my Telegram community would testify to whatever I'm saying. So if you're interested, just hit me up on Telegram. Check my ID in the description box below, then hit me up, then I'll take it from there. All right, so that is just that for the dollar index. Let's go what is happening on Gbpusd. So Gbpusd, I'm expecting to see price would push to the downside. All right, I'm expecting to see price push to the downside. So I want to see this low taken out. All right, I want to see this low taken out. Once we take out this low, all right, once we take out this low, I want to see price come back and wait for a retest, then you see a push to the downside. All right, so for Gbpusd going into this week, I'm expecting lower prices on Gbpusd. But let's switch to the weekly and see what is up on the weekly time frame. So just as you can see, this should even clearly tell you that Gbpusd is up for a bearish run. All right, so we've been forming a swing high for, I think, for a month now. All right, for almost a month now. It's for 1 2 3 4, so almost a month now. So it should tell you that yes, we are preparing for for a move to the downside. So for GBPUSD going into next week, going into this week, I'll expect to see GBPUSD push to the downside. We are currently in a trade in my VIP for GBPUSD. All right. So the best thing I can do for you for now is to keep you on a daily time frame as well as the weekly. I can't go further. All right. Yes, because once I go further, you take notice of our entries and then all that, our entries and edits and all that, and that is the privilege for the VIP. All right. So if you want to join my VIP, just hit me up on Telegram, or my ID is there. Hit me up. Once you join, you'll be able to take the exact trades that I take. All right, because once I spot an opportunity, I don't hesitate to put into my, or to send it into my VIP page. All right, for them to also take advantage of the trades that I'm getting in. So if you want to, aside the bias I'm giving you, if you also want to get in at the exact time that I get in, if you want to know my entries, my exits, just join the VIP. All right, and you'll be sorted out. Yeah, so that is just that for GBPUSD. Let's look at what is happening on AUD/USD. Yeah, so for AUD/USD, to our expect to see price would push to the downside. All right, yeah, so I'm expecting to see this low taken out. All right, I'll expect to see this low taken out. Then we see a push back into this zone right here. Then we see a push the downside. All right, yeah, so AUD/USD to the VIP, or my VIP is in a trade, so I can't go further. I can go lower. All right, the only thing I can do for you on AUD/USD is to give you the bias on the higher time frame. All right, so that going into next week, when you are trading or when you are looking at your lower time frames, you have it at the back of your mind that I'm expecting to see a bearish move. All right, yeah, so whatever strategy you are using, you take note of the bias or of my expectations so far as the direction of the market for AUD/USD is concerned. Let's switch to the weekly to NC. Yeah, so there has been a formation of a swing high, so I'll expect to see price would push to the downside right here. So that is my expectation so far as AUD/USD is concerned. Yeah, so that is just that. Let's look at what is happening on Euro/USD. So for Euro/USD too, I'm expecting to see a push to the downside. All right, yeah, so I'm expecting a push to the downside. So this low right here is a major low for me. All right, I'll expect to see price push down. I'll expect to see price push down. Then we see price would come back to the zone. Then we see a push to the downside. All right, yeah, so Euro/USD to my VIPs are in a trade. We are in a trade on Euro/USD as well. All right, yeah, so I'm not going further. All right, yes, so just as you can see here, even for Euro/USD, the move has already started. All right, the move has already started, so I'm expecting to see a continuation going into a new week. Yeah, so that is just that so far as Euro/USD is concerned. Let's look at USD CAD. Yeah, so for USD CAD, I would expect to see price would push to the upside. All right, I'm expecting to see price push up. Let's hop on to the lower time frames for USD CAD. All right, yeah, so just as you can see here, we had a formation of a bullish order block right here. All right, we had a formation of a bullish order block. Let me mark everything. So look at how price tapped into the high of the bullish order block, then we saw a push to the upside. All right, so currently I'll expect to see price continue to push up, but let's see if we can go further. We can see certain things. Yeah, so that is that. Yeah, so here I want to see this high. All right, I want to see price take out this high. All right, yeah, so I want to see price take out this high right here, but let's see let's go further. I want us to go further to the 1 hour. Yes, so just as you can see here, all right, just as you can see here, we had a what to what down close candle prior to price, what giving us this what this heavy move or this liquidity void, and price has filled it right here. All right, yeah, so I'm expecting to see price push up. All right, I don't want to see price come near, but if price should come, all right, if price should come near, we'll come and take out this low right here. All right, we'll take out this low. All right, then we have a what another what bullish order block right here. All right, another bullish order block right here. So if price should come into this area, then I'll expect to see this low taken out. Then I'll tap, price will tap into what, into the zone right here. All right, and that's going to be my entry. Then my stop loss is going to be this low. All right, then I'll expect to see price will push up. All right, push up to, let me see on the daily here. So my next draw on liquidity is going to be, let's see, let's go further on the weekly. Yeah, so the weekly, I want to see price. The weekly is looking bearish. All right, yes, just that whatever is happening after this whole move is a what, is a retracement. So I will just what trade according to what, to that, having this what, this low in mind. So I want to see price what, push up, right? Push up here, then we see a push down. All right, yeah, so if I'm taking a trade on the 4 hour or on the 2 hour time frame, my draw on liquidity is going to be this zone right here. All right, let's see. Yeah, my draw, yes, so here is going to be this zone right here, is going to be my draw on liquidity. All right, and let's see how much of a pips that will give us. Okay, so let's say we take the trade somewhere here or here. All right, let's say here. All right, that's going to be 215 pips. All right, that's my normal pips target. All right, yes, that's my normal pips target. Those of you that are in my community, you know that I target high pips. All right, yes, so I don't go below 100 pips. All right, yes, if the trade is below 100 pips, I mean, I just forget about it. I'm a swing trader. All right, so if the trade is below 100 pips, I just forget about it. So those of you interested to join my VIP, this is how I trade. All right, yes, my stop loss doesn't go above 50 pips. All right, yes, my maximum stop loss allowance is 50 pips. All right, yes, and then my minimum take profit is 100 pips. All right, yes, so always my risk to reward ratio is 1:2 and above. All right, so 1:2 is my minimum. All right, 1:2 is my minimum. All right, and my maximum most of the time on averagely it's 1:3 or 1:4. All right, yes, so if you're interested in joining my VIP, this is how I run things on my VIP channel. All right, yeah, so that is just that for USD card. Let's look at what is happening on AUD JPY. All right, let's go what's happening. So for AUD JPY, I'm expecting to see price push up. All right, I want to see how Monday's candle will print out. All right, if Monday's candle prints like this, all right, I want to see if Monday's candle prints out like this, not taking out this low here. All right, if Monday's candle fails to take out this low right here, then that is a what? That is a formation of a what? Of a swing low. Then from Tuesday, I want to see price push up. All right, let's switch to the lower time frame and see. Yes, so I don't want to see this low taken out. I want to see price push down a little bit, failing to what? To take out this low. Then we see a push up. All right, yeah, so that is my expectation so far as AUD JPY is concerned. yeah, this is a trade we took the first week of May. All right, yes, we took this trade the first week of May. So far as my VIP is concerned, yes, I posted this in my VIP. Yes, and look at how price played out perfectly well. All right, yes, price played out perfectly. All right, price played out perfectly. All right, yes. That is a what, a 1-2, almost a 1-2-3 trade. All right, yeah, so that is just that for AUDJPY. All right, yeah, so that is just that. All right, yeah, so for my drawn liquidity for AUDJPY, my drawn liquidity is here. All right, yeah, so if you can see, this was a consolidation. Then what we had here was a manipulation. Now what is happening is distribution. So I'm expecting to see price finally taking out this high right here. All right, yeah, so that is my draw on liquidity so far as AUDJPY is concerned. But I'm not going to hold a trade, or I'm not going to be in one trade and hold it up to this point. No, I'll be going in and out, All right, yes, we had our first trade with this. All right, where is it? Where the trade I just showed you? Okay, let me see. Yes, we had our first trade with this. All right, yes. So I knew this gap would be filled. All right, I knew this gap would be filled. So I was just waiting for this gap to be filled, and prior to what has filled the gap. So we can now continue to push up, of which it gives me the opportunity to start with continuing to look for how do you call it, bullish prices. All right, yeah. So for now, if I'm to take the trade here, my next draw on liquidity, all right, is going to be this high right here. All right, which will give us just about 240. All right, yes, almost 240 pips. All right, yes, so this is my next draw on liquidity, but I mean my overall draw on liquidity is this high right here. All right, my overall draw on liquidity is going to be this high right here. Yeah, so that is just that for AUDJPY, and that brings to the end of the weekly market analysis. All right, if you haven't subscribed to this channel yet, do well to click on the subscribe button and smash notification bell so that you get notified whenever I post a new video. Yeah, so for the information I told you I'll tell you about, I'm looking at posting an educational content. All right, I don't normally post my stuff. All right, I don't normally post educational educational content. So I mean, I've decided to do one and then post. All right, or tutorial video. Yeah, let me put it that way. So I decided to do one and then post. I'm going to look at let me give you what I'll look at. All right, I'm going to look at how to select the right pair at the right time. All right, it's something that most traders ignore. All right, most of the time you realize that you be in a trade and then that trade would not be moving, but you switch to other markets and realize that I could have taken this opportunity. All right, yeah, so you be in a trade of which the trade is not going well, but there could have been another trade that you should have taken, or you would have taken, that would go well for you, but you missed that trade. All right, that is what I'm going to talk about. All right, I'm going to teach you how you would select your pairs carefully, so that you don't be in a wrong trade, and then at the end of the day, a particular market that would have prevented you a very, very nice setup, you miss it. And that is what I'm going to talk about. All right, I'm yet to see that video online, but I mean, I'll talk about it, so make sure you don't miss it. That's why I said, if you haven't subscribed, make sure you subscribe to the channel. All right, because once I'm done, I'm going to post it and you should get notification to watch the video. All right, yeah, so that is just that for the weekly market outlook. I'll come your way again another time. Peace.